Hello and welcome to our second video of our Twilio week, a whole week dedicated on integrating Twilio with Backfrap. On last video we learned how to instantiate the Twilio SDK in the Backfrap Cloud Code section, and today we are going to configure the messaging services from Twilio and create the local project where we are going to see most of the code of this series. So here I am at my Twilio dashboard, and if you go to the Develops tab, you see the messaging section in here. If you don't see the messaging section, all I have to do is click Explore Products. In here you have messaging, you click that button, and it will show up the messaging section in there. If you go to Overview, it will show you some code samples, a summary, and some videos that you can follow to learn a little bit more about it, but we are interested mostly in the try it out section. Here you can click Get Setup and it will guide you through the setup of the messaging services. So the first step is to create a service. So all I have to do is click Start Setup, give it a good name. I'm going to call mine Back4App, but you can name yours anything you want. So Back4App. Create messaging services. It will ask for a number. If you don't see a number in here, all you have to do is click this provision, a different number. It will give you a number in there, and this is the number that Twilio will be using to send the messages from to all your clients. So add this number, and now you can click this Try SMS button. And from here you can see the to phone number, which is the number that you want to send messages to. In this case it's my own phone number. Here you have a code section with multiple languages that you can choose. It will automatically generate code for those languages, so all you have to do is copy this code, paste into your projects, and you're good to go. Here you can select the messaging services that you want to use. In this case I just have one, the Back4App we just created, and have a body text, which is the text that the user will receive. So I'm just sending hello from Back4App. When you click the Send Test SMS, it will give you a message over there, and there we go, I just received the message in my cell phone. So this is pretty much all you have to do to test out the SMS messages. If you're interested in testing the code, all you have to do is to choose the language that you're most familiar with in here, copy the code, paste into your project, and it should work quite the same. My information is grayed out in here because it contains some sensitive data about myself, but you can rely on your own to send messages to you. And here on my Visual Studio, we're going to download and install the Twilio npm SDK. So all I have to do is go to a directory where we are going to install it. I'm into my Twilio directory. So I'm going to install npm install Twilio. This takes a couple of seconds as it will download and install everything for me. And also in here, I'm going to create a index.js file that I'm going to write my code in. So touch index.js. The touch command creates an empty file. So if I just run this, you see my index file showed up there. And from here, we can go back to our Back4App account and copy the code that we produced on the last video, which instantiates the Twilio SDK. Paste it in here, and also I'm going to code in here a async function that I'll call run, and this is the function where we are going to write most of our code, and then I'm going to call this function, so run, and in here I'm just going to console log hello from Twilio, save it, and if I just run node index.js, you see hello from Twilio. From now on, we will be able to authenticate to Twilio and send messages from our Node.js code. So if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so it can help us grow. Also share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave it on the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back during this whole series that will take the whole week. See you soon. Bye bye.